Hi everyone, Terry here with the Ashley Peterson team at Promo Realty. I'm at our latest listing, which is at 5603 Birch Creek Lane. This is located in the newest development here in Wardsville, which is the Signature Home Community. This immaculate townhome provides maintenance-free living and main level convenience. At almost 2,000 square feet, it has the perfect amount of space. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The primary ensuite has a luxury shower with floor-to-ceiling tile, double vanity with quartz countertop, and built-in cabinets. You even have 2 access points to the laundry room, one of which is through the master walk-in closet. The quality finishes include gorgeous hardwood floors, a spacious kitchen with a large island, granite countertops, plenty of storage and counter space to accommodate all of your entertaining needs. This is truly easy living at its finest. Don't miss out on this beautiful home. Call our office today to book your private tour.